by the end of the video, you will know about how to lose love handles if you are skinny fat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue. How to lose love handles when you're skinny fat. Even if you have a generally slim appearance, those pesky love handles can be tough to get rid of. But with the right approach, you can achieve a more toned and defined waistline. Let's dive into some effective strategies. First, let's talk about diet. To lose love handles, it's important to focus on a balanced, nutrient-dense diet. This means incorporating plenty of lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich vegetables into your meals. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods, as they can contribute to fat retention around the waist. Next, strength training is crucial. Exercises that target the core and oblique muscles, such as planks, side planks, Russian twists, and bicycle crunches, can help tone and tighten the area around your love handles. Cardiovascular exercise is also essential. High-intensity interval training height is particularly effective for burning fat and can help you lose those stubborn love handles more quickly. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Additionally, focus on overall body fat reduction. Even if you're skinny, you may need to lose a bit of overall body fat to see a difference in your love handles. Consistency with your workouts and diet is key. Lastly, don't forget about hydration and sleep. Staying well hydrated and getting enough sleep are both important for overall health and can aid in weight loss and muscle recovery. That wraps up today's video on how to lose love handles if you're skinny fat. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. See you next time. Feel free to customize the script to better fit your style and audience preferences. 40